stay here with you, girl. But things just could not be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change.